Big tablet versus pocket recorder. That's basically the context today. We're comparing iFLYTEK AI Note 2 and the Comulytic Note Pro, two devices that both call themselves AI note takers, but approach that idea from completely opposite directions. One wants you writing and reading on it, the other just wants to sit quietly and capture everything you say. So rather than picking a favorite, we're going through this piece by piece so you can figure out which one actually fits your day. First thing, size and feel. iFLYTEK AI Note 2 is a 10.65-inch e-ink tablet, but it's only 4.2 millimeters thin and weighs about 295 grams, so it's big on paper, yet it doesn't really feel big once it's in your hands. Comulytic, on the other hand, is basically credit card sized, sitting at just 27.6 grams and slips right into your pocket or snaps magnetically onto the back of your phone. So already, this tells you a lot about who each one is for. If you want something to write on, annotate, and carry around like a proper notebook, that's AI Note 2. But if you want something that just disappears until the moment you actually need it to record, that's Comulytic. Now here's the real fork in the road and the most important difference between them. AI Note 2 is built around writing first, recording second. You're taking handwritten notes with a Wacom EMR stylus under 20 milliseconds of latency, and it syncs those notes straight to the audio timestamp as you go. So later, you tap a note and it jumps you right to that exact moment in the recording. That's genuinely clever engineering, and nobody else really does it that way. Comulytic flips that on its head, no writing involved at all since it's voice first, and it's built for exactly that job. 2 MEMS mics plus a VPU, which picks up speech vibration through a table surface, rather than just sound through the air. So if you never really write notes anyway and just want conversations captured cleanly without lifting a pen, this thing does that one task better than the tablet ever could. And this is a big piece worth slowing down on, because with Comulytic, almost everything runs through its app, not the device itself. Sure, the recorder has that one button, so you can tap and hold to start or stop on the fly without touching your phone, but beyond that, the app is where the whole experience lives. Inside it, there's a contacts section that automatically files recordings under the person you spoke with, an actions tab pulling tasks and follow-up reminders straight out of your conversations, and a profile section covering device settings, firmware, storage, and battery in one place. There's also an import system in there, letting you bring in outside audio from your phone or from Google Drive and Dropbox, up to 500 megabytes or roughly 5 hours each, and up to 10 files at once. And once a recording's processed, tapping the CC button lets you follow the transcript live as the audio plays back, which is genuinely handy when re-listening to a meeting quickly. You can even rename speakers manually or just pull names from your contacts. So basically, without that app open, this device is really just a button and a battery. Nearly all the intelligence and control sits in the software layer. AI Note 2 works differently, since a lot of its control happens right on device through gestures like circling text or starring a line. So its companion app matters too, just not as the single point of control the way Comulytic's app is. Both lean on serious AI under the hood, just applied in different directions. AI Note 2 transcribes across 16 languages, translates in 11, and has GPT-5 built right into the note environment, so you can expand ideas or generate summaries without leaving the page. And it handles handwriting to text in over 130 languages, which matters if you mix written notes with dictation. Comulytic, meanwhile, leans on GPT-5, Gemini, and Whisper together, covering over 100 languages for transcription. And where it really pulls ahead is the Ask AI feature, since you can literally ask it questions about a past conversation, like what pricing got discussed, and it pulls the answer straight from that recording's context. So if your work is mostly calls or client-facing work, that's genuinely useful in a way the tablet isn't designed for. This one's pretty one-sided based on what each device actually is. AI Note 2 handles PDFs, EPUBs, and Office docs with split screen so you can read on one side while writing on the other, and annotations link straight back to the exact page in the document. Real advantage for research or lecture-heavy work. But since Comulytic doesn't even have a screen for that, if your day involves marking up documents, that side of things simply isn't on the table. Big difference here too. Comulytic is rated for 45 hours of continuous recording, plus over 100 days on standby, so charging basically stops being something you think about. AI Note 2, running on a 4000 mAh battery, is rated around 14 days of typical use, which sounds solid until you put it next to Comulytic. So if you're someone who forgets to charge things, Comulytic plays in a completely different league. Worth flagging too, since neither one is flawless. Comulytic's speaker separation can occasionally misidentify people in busier, multi-person conversations, and AI Note 2's smart tools, where circling text turns it into a task, rely on OCR that can be a bit inconsistent. Both have rough edges, just in different places depending on what you're using the device for. And this is where things get pretty clear-cut. AI Note 2 sits somewhere around $650, putting it firmly in bigger investment territory. Comulytic, meanwhile, is roughly $129, and unlimited transcription comes free with the hardware, while its premium AI suite is just a $10 a month add-on. So AI Note 2 asks for a bigger commitment for a bigger multi-purpose device, while Comulytic stays low commitment and laser-focused on one job. So pulling this together, if you're a student, researcher, or someone sitting through long lectures and meetings where you need to read documents, annotate PDFs, and take handwritten notes with audio backup layered underneath, AI Note 2 is doing a job Comulytic simply can't touch. But if you're in sales, consulting, client-facing work, or just constantly on calls and want a device that disappears into your pocket, captures everything cleanly, and lets you ask questions about past conversations later, then Comulytic is built exactly for that, at a much friendlier price too. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide, drop a like, subscribe for more comparisons like this one, and let us know down in the comments which one you're leaning toward.